Yeah. Hey, I be riding around town in the coupe, got the drop top hanging like I'm Snoop. Hey, you be frontin' like you want it, you can get it. Got me young boys hanging off the roof. Hey, like designing lean tripping niggas for some money, what he do?
Lifestyle on the road, sheesh. Used to always want a rollie, now I want a new two-tone gold petite. Damn. But we couldn't go to Philippe's. I had to be on that corner until it was morning so me and my niggas could eat. I'll be the one with the sauce. I never thought it was sweet. I got my foot in the door. They never gave me the key. I had to turn to a key.
Don't watch my moves, can't watch my shoes, can't cock my moves. Don't watch my juice. I be riding around the town in the coupe, got the drop top hanging like I'm Snoop. Hey, you be frontin' like you want it, you can get it. Got my young boys hanging off the roof. Hey, like designer, you lean tripping, making close to money, what it do? Don't watch my moves, can't clock my moves. I got my juice, don't watch my juice.
Even when I was a boy, I was the man in the streets. I was the man with the heat. I was a beast. He had a heart, but she tried to give it to me. Damn, but she can't keep no fucking promises. Shit, I'm coming with a lot of money. Money comes with a lot of shit. Told Mo, bring the studio to everywhere we go, and that's a lot of hits. Slow-mo in my videos, when the lights out and all my diamonds hit.
I be riding by the town in the coupe, everybody here think that I'm Snoop. Hey, smoking weeds, they old weeds like you leaving, the niggas know what I'ma do. Hey, like designing, you lean tripping, niggas close to money, what he do? Hey, got gold, my moves, everybody know, got money. I be riding around town in the coupe, in the drop top, hanging like a smooth. Hey.
Something about blue faces, I like money conversations. Whole lot of 20s, that's basic, nigga, fuck it, I'm shameless. Can't fuck with a snitch, nigga, if you get caught, don't say shit. Have you ever met another nigga like me? I bet you won't say shit. I went from rag to riches, I bagged the bitches that gave me the straight face. I hit the baddest bitches, it's sad, but I had the curve in the same day. I treated them bad, I wouldn't be mad if I was to get treated the same way. So treat me the same way.
You be frontin' like you want it, you can get it. Got my young boys hanging off the roof. Hey, like designer, you lean tripping, making close to money, what he do? Hey, don't watch my move, can't clock my move, don't watch my shoes, don't got my juice. I be riding around in the coupe, hanging like I'm Snoop. Hey, you be frontin' like you want it, you can get it. Got my young boys hanging off the roof. Hey, like designer, you lean tripping, making close to money, what he do? Don't watch my move, can't watch my shoes, don't watch my juice, I got my juice. Hey.
Vultures at the altar, tell the pastor to watch his back. My girl said she wanted change and then she got a quarterback. Well, damn, I ain't no football player, but I hit it harder than a football player. The girl of my dreams just became a girl. Well, we can talk about that later. Honeymoon in your hometown. Bitch, you broke now.
I took your mama to Yard House. I took her to Yard House. I took your mama to Greystone. We got in with no problems. I bought us tickets to Key Sweat. It was live at Pachanga. Look, I took your mama to Oxnard. We went surfing on longboards. Like I hopped on the stage. I hopped off the stage and got right on the plane. I know it's a tip, but I'm bringing out Dre. I'm bringing out K. I'm bringing out Tip.
Your mama ask about me almost every week. Deacon speaking tongue, talking about forever. Hold your peace. I said peace, please. Hurry up and kiss so I could eat. Tootsie rolling your tippy toe. So much soda, my soul got soul. Your auntie and uncle, they love me. All your bridesmaids wanna fuck me. Your groom look like a broom, and they make me ha ha ha. Girl, I could've been your pap, and you be my Remy Ma.
I'm looking 3 sacks in the face. I'm with the Free Nationals. What more can I say? This shit is a trip. Lemonade, lemonade, baby, I'm faithful. What more can I say? I'm fucking the flesh like the cope with the pain. What more can I say? She's staring and waving. I'm looking the other way. My mind on my paper. I don't like to slay her, but she Asian and thick, so I might have to slay.
Super confluent to the scene. Down to vanquish all deadbeat daddies and niggas with too many chains, okay? Don't got no gold, but my record is platinum. So picture perfect, I don't need a caption. I don't give a fuck about how long you been rapping. Got flow so old I can spit him in Latin. My nigga was happening. The only thing you blowing up is a mattress. I'm in the studio making a classic. Shouldn't you niggas be playing in traffic or buying Supreme? Doing your thing? You know? Saving up money for lean.
New crib doesn't got a driveway, still pulling out when I'm fucking by the fireplace. Bitch that I'm with used to fuck around with Gosling. I don't like to think about it, shit is so exhausting. Kissing on your baby like the boy a politician. Spitting out tough shit, overcooked chicken. Hopping out the lift, no tipping, I'm rich. So sick, getting blown, I'm just making a wish. Oh boy, got a show out. Only thing that you and I like is their pronouns.
Y'all put this game on easy as hell. I play this shit on incredibly hard. KID, 5-spin kid, nigga, you know me. DD destroy everything I do. Attack, kill everything I see. Super duper, doggy dooter. Shout out to Jesus, that's my shooter. Bad bitches in my kitchen, cooking food like I live at Hooters. Off a Red Bull and a coffee. FedEx office, niggas just copies on. Niggas watch too much boxing.
Girls trying to go out, white like a snow out. Hair so straight, no blowout. Touchdown, score, no toe out. Run around the telly being loud as fuck. The May stop coming back, turn down for what? The name hopped in a motherfucking crowd of bust. That little diggy got double XL. What? Do it, do it.
Don't get NyQuil, trying to be Rocky. Nah, believe me, niggas sleep every single day with a bow, bow, boom, bing, carry him away. 16 butane, who wanna get flamed? Then EMC, RP, niggas getting slayed. Super duper, saber to the duder. Bite your ass in half. Back in thunder, doing matrix numbers like it's basic math. Hey, flow is like a double play. None of you niggas is safe. Making these hits, every time I step to the plate, I biggity, biggity, bang, boom, bow. Niggas can't fuck with me now. Doing shit they don't know how. Doing it better. Making your girl get wetter. I think I'm gonna start selling towels. It's amazing. Speech impediment. And they still feel what I'm saying. Can't explain it, I just hop on stage and everyone gets rabies, yeah. Find you a bed, little nigga, fall back. That ain't this, bruh, this ain't that. My white friends are so damn cool. They all look like they have black. Guinness record recommended, skip me on the business. Been everywhere except last. Shit, gotta pick up a plaque. See you later, got a blast.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account, yeah. In my bank account, yeah. In my bank account, yeah.